Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome to Next Level English Prep. In this video, we'll give you a clear overview of the TOEIC exam, what it measures, and how it's structured. The TOEIC, or Test of English for International Communication, measures how people use English in the workplace. It's recognized by thousands of companies, schools, and governments around the world. Employers use TOEIC scores to make hiring and promotion decisions. A higher score can open doors to better jobs, international opportunities, and professional growth. The TOEIC has two main parts. The first is listening and reading. The second is speaking and writing. Each part is scored separately, and together they give a full picture of your English ability. The listening section lasts about 45 minutes and has 100 questions. You'll answer questions about recorded conversations, short talks, and workplace announcements. This section measures how well you understand spoken English in real situations. The reading section also has 100 questions with a time limit of 75 minutes. You'll read texts like articles, advertisements, and emails, and answer questions to test your comprehension. This section measures how well you understand written English in professional settings. The speaking test has 11 questions and takes about 20 minutes. Tasks include reading a text aloud, describing a picture, responding to questions, and giving an opinion. It measures your pronunciation, intonation, fluency, and ability to communicate clearly. The writing test has 8 questions and takes about 1 hour. You'll describe pictures, write emails, and compose an opinion essay. It measures your grammar, vocabulary, organization, and ability to express ideas in writing. A strong TOEIC score opens doors to international job opportunities. It's widely accepted by corporations, government agencies, and schools. It shows you're ready for professional roles that require active English communication. So build a routine with realistic practice tests. Strengthen your vocabulary, listening skills, and grammar. And consider a prep course or a study group to lift your performance faster. So head to nextlevelenglishprep.com for private classes, tips, and resources. Then try a timed test in the Next Level Writing Lab to get accurate, instant feedback on your writing. And don't forget to follow this YouTube series for strategies and practice. So go ahead and subscribe for more TOEIC lessons and tips. Thanks for watching.